in today's video, I am making a resin river rock soap, you guys. It's a technique that I learned on a soap challenge club, and I like the results. I do have some changes that I wish I could make, but you guys, this is a cute video. Stay tuned and watch to see how I make this incredible soap. Good day, awesome people. My name is Natacia, and in today's video, I am doing a soap challenge club challenge soap. So those of you who don't know, I belong to this club called the Soap Challenge Club. And every month we do a soap challenge. We do a design or a technique, and then we do our version of it, and it gets judged. And it's a wonderful opportunity to learn different techniques, different styles, different things to make your soap incredibly creative. So the goal was to create a soap that was inspired by Resin River tables. It was taught by a soap maker named Amy Bautista, and she did an incredible job. And there were so many incredible versions of this technique. I did 3. I think I'm going to show all 3 videos, but take a look at how I started my design. So technically, where you're supposed to do either the first and third layer are the same, where you can do confetti soap on the outside layer, or you can do the middle layer, which is the river, in confetti soap. But either 2 layers or 1 layer of your soap should have confetti soap in it, and the other layers are supposed to be similar. I decided that my 2 outer layers are going to be my design layers, and my inner layer is going to be my confetti soap, which is where the river is supposed to be. I also decided to be a bit ambitious and ombre the design on the outside, while the inside would just be a color with the confetti soap. Now the colors I'm ombreing in this soap, you guys, I am like crossing my fingers. I kind of know these colors do work, but when you see me ombreing it, it's going to be like, why did she take peach and blue and put it together? But I wanted to create like a marble effect on the outside with this textured effect on the middle. And I won't know unless I try, right? So I am experimenting with this design by trying to think outside of the box and be a bit creative. I know. Crazy, right? So for those of you who have not watched my previous videos, I've done this technique before. But if you've never seen it before, I know it seems odd, but this is one way you can get a marble effect in your cold process soap without trying to create it inside of a container and pour it in a certain way. It's just a nice, easy way for me to get a marble effect in my cold process soap. But it does have a nice effect on it when you do it. Speaking of effects, you guys, so as you know, I live in New York. New York is on level 10, you guys. If you don't watch basketball, sorry for you. The next one, yay. After 50-something years, we finally wearing our Knicks colors. We think we cute. Let me know in the chat if any of y'all watched the game, because it was a nail biter for the whole daggone series with the Knicks. I had my hands covering my eyes, everything, because they were always losing until the third or fourth quarter. And then somehow they pull it out. I don't know. Not only that, the daggone World Cup. We have the World Cup finals happening in our area. It's bananas. And then it's like 99 degrees right now. Like, somebody, can you please turn the thermostat down? It is 90. Yesterday was 101 degrees, you guys. Now, for some of you who live in Texas, this might be normal to you. But no, we don't live in like hyper hell here, okay? Like, it is hot. And it takes a lot for me to say that. Like, anything over 91 degrees, I'm burning up. Like, I'm like, okay, all right, I can't, other people, it's more than that, less than that. But for me, I don't know. I think it's because I'm anemic. Are any of you guys anemic out there? Because, like, our skin has to be, like, almost steaming before we will admit that we're hot. But it is hot. And this mica line is giving me Knicks colors, isn't it? Isn't it giving Knicks? Some of you are like, basketball. But anyway, I decided to use this color. I think this is called Brazen Hussy. And I've wanted to use this brilliant, like, bright orange coral color because I felt like it would contrast well with the blues and the peach and the teal and the white. So let's see if the results came out the way I was hoping. Are you guys ready for the soap cut? All right, now hold on to your unicorn sweat. This soap came out incredible. Look at the marble on the opposite sides. Look at the river running through the middle. Gorgeous. And can you see the veining? Let me know if you can see the veining of that mica line. I think it adds a nice contrast. I really wish that the colors were darker. I wanted a dark blue to a light blue, a dark coral to a light coral, a dark purple to a light purple, and I'm getting more light and pastel. So I'm gonna have to do this again, you guys, because I have a vision and I need the vision to manifest. But otherwise, the soap came out nice. And look at how I'm cutting the soap. It's different. I wanted the soap to be longer. And I actually wanted it to look like a countertop, if you will. Because it's supposed to look like a resin table. And I wanted it to look like a countertop. So I want my soap to be longer. So I cut it different. What do you guys think? Then I wanted to leave it with this rough edges thing because it looks like cut marble, right? I wanted to leave it rough and rustic. Let's see at the end if I left it that way or if I decided to bevel the ends. I guess you guys got the answer. This was a fun soap to make. I have made different colors in this soap. I will list the videos for you guys for your enjoyment. Let me know if you try this technique. Protect your beautiful skin and your beautiful energy. Please like my videos. Watch them a ton of times. Hype, share, subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao for now.